Hi, welcome to Turtle Burger Crochet. My name is Brittany. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today is going to be a relatively quick video. I'm going to be opening up some Happy Mail. This is from Mindfulness Makes, and I got this. If you follow Knitty Natty, every year she does a fall garment make-along, and this past fall, 2021, I was drawn as one of the winners of that, and I got to select, I can't remember now if it was 4 or 5 progress keeper / stitch markers from Mindfulness Makes. I will have both of them linked below, but I'm so excited. It took a little while to get here because it is a Canadian business. So let's open it up. I have opened this, but I haven't peeked in or anything, so it'll be exciting. Okay, so it came with these 2 things. Make sure. Yep. Okay, let's see what they are. So we will start with, it looks like her business card, Mindfulness Makes. Aw, she's very sweet. She says, "Congrats, Brittany. Apologies in the delay in sending these. I hope you love them. No worries. Beggars can't be choosers, and I was a winner, so I am happy." And here's the box. Let's see. Very nice packaging. I have been wanting to increase my Progress Keeper collection, so I am very happy. This is how they all come. We'll take them out one by one. Whoops, well, that didn't work, did it? So we'll go with the first one. I selected the lobster clasp on all of them. I just find they are a little bit easier than like light bulb markers or whatever. The first one is a little, I think it was a lemon drop. So cute. I cannot wait to put these on some projects. Next we have, oh, I can't get it out. Okay. It looks like, I can't remember if this is what it was supposed to be, but it reminds me of those little rolls of bubble gum that we used to get as kids. Let me know if you ever liked that gum. I thought it had kind of a funny taste, but yeah, we always got them. And then this is also a, I believe it was like a popsicle. And then I got 3 pairs of sock stitch markers. So here's the first one. It's a pink sock with gray cuff, heel, and toes. And then I got another pink sock with stripes. And then the last one is kind of a like brownish with pink contrasting heel, toe, and cuff. So those are so cute. I know Natalie would never watch my videos, but thank you, Natalie, for hosting the Fall Garment Make-Along. I had a lot of fun. I did not complete my garment, but it was a lot of fun seeing what everyone else made. So I am looking forward to, hopefully she'll host another one this year. It is an annual event that she does. So like I said, she would never watch this, but if she does, thank you, Natalie, and thank you all for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.